Today we're going to be making
cinnamon roll cookies
with Jayden. Do you remember him?
So first we're going to prepare our pan.
We're going to grease.
And put on some parchment paper. This is my precious baby, vanilla. In our large bowl, we're going to put in softened butter.
Sugar.
Brown sugar.
Time to cream.
Straight that side.
Now time to add in our eggs.
And vanilla.
Mix again. Time for dry ingredients. Flour.
Baking powder.
You can't forget your cinnamon. Time to fold it in.
Cover it in plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Get a scoop of the cookie dough.
Roll it. Damn.
And put it back on the pan. Hi. How are you? Press it down.
Jayden! Time to go in the oven. No, Mike.
For the frosting, we need some softened butter.
And some cream cheese that is also softened.
Precious vanilla. We're gonna need about like that much.
Now let's whip this together. Now we're going to gradually add in our powdered sugar.
Add some heavy cream to make it looser.
We're going to put our frosting in our piping bag. Okay, now time to pipe. So I'm going to do a little swirl, kind of like usual cinnamon rolls. Like that. Magic. Oh my gosh! Thank you guys for watching this video.
Don't forget the recipes in the description. Bye!